Hello everyone, I am Joanna, a librarian here at the Chula Vista Public Library. Although the library and the Veterans Resource Center is closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, there are still ways to find information online. In this tutorial, I will show you how to navigate the Chula Vista Public Library website and also explore the 2-in-1 San Diego database. The goal of this tutorial is to help veterans and their family members find links to other organizations serving veterans during the COVID-19 pandemic. So the first step will be to visit our Chula Vista Public Library website. And that website is www.chulavistalibrary.com. So this is our library website's homepage. So in order to get to the Veterans Resource Center webpage, you'll click on Services. So here you will find a list of the Chula Vista Public Library services web pages. So I would like you to click on the Veterans Connect at the library link, which is the second to the last one. This takes you to the Veterans Connect at the library landing page. And in order to proceed to the resources, you'll need to click on the link that says, "Please visit the Veterans Resource Center to learn more." So this is the Veterans Connect at the library webpage. The first thing I would like to point out is a Veterans Resource book link here in green. If you click on this icon, it will give you the most up-to-date version of the CalVet resource book. This book has information on benefits, healthcare, education, and many other great resources for veterans and their families. Another thing I would like to point out on the Veterans Connect at the library webpage is the link to the 2-in-1 San Diego database. You can find it under the Courage to Call icon and click on the link that says Search Here. 2-in-1 San Diego is the region's trusted source for access to community, health, social, and disaster services. 2-in-1 provides access to 6,000 and more services, resources, and programs through their online database. This is a 2-in-1 San Diego database. If you look to your left, you'll see that you can search by category. The first category that I will show you will be food. So go ahead and click on food. Under each category, you'll see a subcategory. Here I'm going to click on emergency food. And then I will click on the subcategory under emergency food, and I'm going to choose this time food pantries. So it's already populated some results here on the right, but we are going to try to narrow those results down by first inputting our zip code and then pressing enter. This will give you results that are nearest your location. To further narrow down your results, you can click on this icon, the people icon, and then scroll down and hit veterans. This will give you a highlighted list of resources that are tailored to veterans. For example, the first one that came up is the organization Mobile Pantry, Courage to Call. If you scroll by the eligibility On the bottom, you'll see it'll give you a small description of who is eligible for this program. If you're interested, you can go ahead and click on it. That way you'll get more information, a description of what they provide, intake hours of operation, documents required, etc. Let's go ahead and hit the back button so we can take a look at another category. Click on the arrow next to search by category to go back to the list of categories. The next category that I'm going to explore is housing shelter. I'm going to click on that category. Then I'm going to select the subcategory of housing counseling. So we will narrow down the results just like we did with the food category by inputting our zip code and pressing enter, and then by selecting the people icon and selecting the category of veteran. Again, the resources that veterans are eligible for will turn yellow. And again, it'll give you the information, for example, Veterans Association of Real Estate Professionals, their phone number. And if you scroll over eligibility, it'll give you a brief summary of who is eligible. If you are interested in the resource, go ahead and click on it. This will open up their page and give you more information, a description of their services, the eligibility, their phone number, intake hours of operation, etc. This concludes this tutorial. I encourage you all to explore the 211 San Diego database further. You can also call 211 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to speak to a representative. I also encourage you to use our curbside pickup services. You can place an item from our veterans collection on hold and come pick it up at the library Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Civic Center branch. Also, don't forget to use our Hoopla app. It's located on our home page. Register for an account with your library card and explore books, DVDs, and music tailored to veterans. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope to see you guys soon.